In. We're in. We are in. Hello. This is our second episode.
By the way, in last video we did not clarify the voices. I'm speaking right now. I'm Shaggy Star.
No, we did.
We did?
I-
Okay. Okay. So we were looking at our old world and found this amazing scene, so we're gonna describe it.
Yeah.
Let's go. This way.
Hold on. 1 second. And Mangrove. Yeah, and wait, first item on the server, right here. Wait, no, you got it, right? You got it, right? No, I got it when you were mining. Yeah, no, you have the first item. I only got it when you were mining. Like, I ran through, and I got one of the items that you were mining. You have the first. There, that's the first one. I'm gonna go collect the other ones. Wait, no. There.
No. Can't mind the Mangrove. I had the first item. So
Yeah.
we are going to be doing a
Oh, yeah, and we also found, like, a floating island. We found a floating island.
might find
Ruin. Well, the reason the war motion is really good is because I'm pretty sure it might be a lukewarm motion, but the reason it's really good is because you can only find, as to my research, you can only find sniffer eggs in warm ocean ruins. And I promise, this is not scripted. Well, it is a little scripted since we already know where the stuff is, but like, it's not, we don't know where an ocean ruins is. The only things we found are the mangrove, the jungle, the oak, and the floating island. That's literally it. And yeah. We haven't, oh, and the lukewarm ocean. I guess we found, yeah. We're already 3 minutes in. Yeah. Actually, I just realized, I can just edit it. I think I can. If I download it. So, I'm gonna stop the recording for now. No, I can't cut, but I can stop and then play other parts. So I can't cut out. So I can't cut out parts, but I can stop the recording and then cut to a different part. But I can't cut out. No, I just can't. Because my phone for some reason has like absolutely no editing software whatsoever.
So, like the last video, we are very clumsy, so if you see us like have 6 crafting tables when we cut to something that shows.
Yeah.
Like the other
Also, this is
please sub.
this is a different series than the other, our first video,
Yeah.
because this is like this
Are
isn't.
you mining the mangrove root trust?
No.
I meant iHeart. Could you please start?
I guess.
I'll get the mossy.
Also, just so you know, we can't make money. I don't want to make money. You do. I don't. I just want to make videos.
I really don't care.
Okay. I just want to post. I don't want to make money. I don't want to do that.
So, it's your decision what you want to do.
Yeah.
Everyone has a choice. Plus, we can't make money. We can't actually make money because we're not making friends.
Well, yeah, we're not over 18.
But we're not gonna go around giving our information out.
Yeah, but
You
just
hear
don't say our age. Just don't. Like, even if we are, like, even if we are old enough to have a YouTube channel, just don't say our age. It's not. I don't like it. It's not.
All the classmates that we had, they would know.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Actually, we go to different schools. We used to go to the same school, but we go to different schools now.
Yeah. We're in touch by my mom's
Yeah, in Discord.
apartment complex.
And in Discord.
We had no idea we'd become such good friends.
Let's go towards the floating island. Now we know the floating island is this way. And that's kind of
really
it.
the only thing we know?
Yeah, that's the coolest thing we found, and that's kind of it. So like.
Well, we did find a brown panda, but there's no fancy on the spot.
Hey.
Keep getting in front of me. What? The postures.
The leaves are a different color. Wait, they're different leaves. There's oak trees growing on this jungle tree.
What? I gotta press through that.
I'm Tarzan. I'm Tarzan. Wait,
No,
what? That's so weird. Those are oak leaves growing on jungle. What?
So
Crazy.
sometimes we are gonna go into cinematic mode so you guys can see like everything, but not very often.
It takes me a little bit to go into cinematic mode since I'm on phone, because there isn't just a button for it. You have to like go into settings, kind of like with. Oh hey, wait, is this the floating island? Is that the one? I think there's a different one that we were gonna do.
This is it.
Okay. Wait, technically the island's not floating, but it looks kind of floating.
Well, there is a pillar holding it up.
Yeah, there's like a pillar holding it up. That's totally not defined. This is not a hardcore one.
Yeah, like our last.
Also, the reason that
build the base here.
the reason that we didn't count him dying in the last one is because it was a glitch.
I was 4 blocks up in the iron golem murdered me somehow.
Which is quite literally impossible. So we count that as a glitch. I'm gonna stop recording for now. We'll cut to you.
Yeah.
We'll cut to a little later. Okay, so we've cut the time lapse. We have a special guest, so that's why we cut the time lapse short. Oh, I
And
just.
so far we have a nice house, and it's turning night on the third night. All you
Yeah.
guys really missed was us building our house.
I'm not sure where our special guest is.
Who are you? Going on the floating island. Is it on me? Use your map. Use your map. Use your map. I am using my map. You're so close.
I only have.
Oh, it's near the. Oh, I thought it was near that place. Wait, how did you come there? Use that bridge right there.
So. What's it? I've only gotten to Moss Carpet because I was distracted by our special guest joining.
Where are you? We'll just come back soon.
Oh, I see Oren. I'll lead him to it.
It's about to. Once they see you, oh, yep. Oh, yep. Oren, quick. Run. Sprint now. I am. Like,
I can't. No, I can't. I just need to get back. I know. I'm making chests. I'm making a chest to put my items in. Ah, there's a spider. Oh my god, I'm gonna die to the spider.
Oh my gosh! I want to teleport. And I saw you. That's fine. Which is what my name's at.
There's just drama happening and we're not. I'm just ignoring it. Where's your stuff?
Right under the thing.
Okay. I'm on a heart. I won't be able to grab your stuff, just so you know. I can't. And there we go. I died. What do you mean highlight? Oren, follow me. Tell Oren to follow me. This is so chaotic. There's a witch, there's a witch, there's a witch, oh my god. So our special guest, in case you haven't noticed, is Orinoco Flow 3.
I just got poisoned. I died. Again, with gold armor.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
How are we this bad? We need to get all of our... Everyone round up that base, and then we go down for everyone's stuff. As a group. Because we can't do this alone.
Yeah, and everyone put their items in the chest. I made a chest.
Good. But Oren, put all of your items that you have in the chest so we can go down and collect our own items. So many cold purples.
Oh yeah, just in case you don't know, we call witches code purples.
Yeah.
I don't know where it originated. It just started.
Hard World 1.
Hard World, yeah.
I mean, no. No cheats, Hard World 1.
Yeah.
Careful, zombies following you guys.
Orin. No, there's a zombie. I'm gonna die. There's a zombie. There's 2 zombies. I'm gonna die. There's 2 zombies. I died.
Oh my gosh. Can we stop dying, please?
No can do. I'm
Or
gonna.
Then we need to go under the tower with all of our items put in.
I'm gonna cut the video.
Get our items.
I'm gonna cut the video short, and I'm just gonna cut to when I'm. I'm just gonna cut to when I'm at the house. So I'll see you then. So basically, we cut to the house. It was a total disaster getting to the house. My friend is like away. He'll be back shortly. And yeah, this is the house so far. Hope you like it. It's a total disaster. There's so many monsters. It's just, jeez. Sorry if the video has bad quality. Again, we haven't really figured out recording, so I'm screen recording from my phone. Yeah. So last time it was a total disaster. Tower here, and yeah, I'm gonna mine down now. I'm going back to the house. I have one more.
Well, they're only...
I have one more.
Sorry, I needed to.
Putting all my items in the chest.
Okay, so... No, don't mind. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Sorry. 1, 2... No, I don't want to have legs. They have little legs. Or just... It's beauty. Look, little...
Why? No, I don't like that.
No, it looks good. It looks good.
No, it does not.
It looks nice.
It does not look good.
And then, can we rearrange them? Yeah.
I'm sorry, but honestly, it does not look good.
It's not the ones on the back. The ones on the back. The one on the back. No.
It's
art.
It's art.
The ones on the back have to.
It's conceptual art. You know, it's just like it's our own art form. It's called bad building, and it's our own genre of art.
Oh, I know, Wesley, you can't tell me this doesn't look good. 1 slab, 2 slab, 3 slab, covering the door.
That might look good. Oh yeah, that does look good. Wait, extend it out. Like, extend it out.
I only have one more.
We'll make it cover the door. There. Doesn't that look good?
That's really good. Yeah, so anyway, like Leslie was saying, this isn't our best
Don't call me by my real name.
Viewer, nothing, viewers.
Yeah.
Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
At least you don't know my last
No.
name. At least you don't know my last name.
Yeah. Because that'd be...
You have absolutely no idea. You know that. You just know my first name. You have no idea who I am.
Yeah.
You have no idea of my real identity.
Yeah, identify. That's IRTPSU.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's his identification. Ronan, can we make a mine? Yeah. Pickaxe.
Could I, in a normal world, I would probably already have found iron, but since, we're going the base route first. Yes,
no.
real. Yes. But this
I don't
one,
believe that.
I do, because I...
No.
Why do you always try to argue with me?
Hey.
I need one more cobblestone. Give me one more cobblestone. One more.
One more cobblestone arm. Huh? Me? For who?
Okay, I got it. I got one.
Why do you need it?
To make to make a stone pickaxe.
I hit something really good. What? I'm charging that.
What did you
What
hit?
is it? It's copper. Copper, sweet.
Copper isn't very good.
Hey, I want some copper. It's good for harnessing lightning.
Yeah, but that's like its only use. It's like it'll be good in 1.21. I'm gonna cut to when we've kind of started the mine. Haven't really found anything very good. We found copper.
Oh my god!
Did you find coal? Any coal?
Nope.
What did you find?
I found halfway to hell. I just put dirt.
You found what?
I put dirt. Halfway to hell.
Oh.
Halfway to hell. Don't go on the path. I have to call it that. Oh, I mean, like, what else am I gonna call it? A million mobs? Like,
Don't call it that.
Should we call it?
Don't call it that. It may be offensive to some viewers.
True. Sorry guys. It's just an insane pathway. And we're most likely gonna die to it sometime. Very in the soon future. Furnace. Bang. Ronan, what? Oh, moss carpet! I'm like, huh? Nah. Ronan, I made this. It looks nice. I made this. I made 6 of these. Let me see. Drop them. Oh yeah. Give me. I'll give you free. Give me. We both get free. No, that does not look good.
I know. I was trying. Hold on.
You need coal. You need coal fast.
Does this look good? Oops. Wait, hold on. Does the cobblestone...
This is a human house.
Does that look good?
A human house. We need it to be stone.
It is stone.
No, like stone, like melted stone. A human house.
Smooth stone? You mean?
Yeah, smooth stone. This is all mine, by the way. Huh?
Hey, I wanna.
But please don't take. Okay.
Okay. Could I borrow some of your wood as fuel?
No, please no. Please no.
Why not?
Please. Because this won't be enough to smelt 35. Actually, I guess I can share. We'll work together. Like, I'll share this share. Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna take a while to smelt. I'm gonna cut to when it's... So we've cut to,
So we've gotten a lot, actually.
Yeah, what we've done is basically we've gotten smooth stone, and, yeah, we've just gotten smooth stone.
Oh, there is a stair. That's our tower. Is there gonna be upstairs?
I don't know.
There is, but we're gonna make it out of bamboo. Oh yeah.
And it's gonna be on next episode.
Probably, yeah. Pretty much. What?
Oops.
How do you make this? Let's use a bit. One of bamboo. Two gold. Bamboo staircases. Hey, Wes.
What?
Do you think that we will be able to read most of the comments that they give us?
What do you mean?
Like, will we be able to read every comment?
I mean, we probably won't get any comments. Comments are really rare. I tested it because I've already had a YouTube channel, and like,
I got bamboo slabs.
on my most popular video, which got like 3.3 thousand views, I only got like 5 comments.
I know. But we'll read every single comment
Wait, can you?
because they're really rare.
Yeah, which we probably won't get any.
No. Wesley's doing this one. Wesley's doing this. Please don't do bamboo stuff. But it looks really. I know how to make it look really nice. Just trust me. I know how to make it look really, really nice. Just trust me. Oh, can I have my bamboo stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, actually, on your idea, you can do it till here. This right here needs to not be. You can do it till there. I know. This is what I'm doing. See? Look. Yeah, do it till there. Wesley, should I fill in the rest with stone? How come we're missing? Text. I dropped. No, that's for Wesley. That's for Wesley. Could you give it? Yeah. Oh.
I'm just being kind of silent.
Yeah, you are. You're Wes.
Please don't call me by my real name. I just feel like it's weird.
We'll just go by abbreviations like. I keep this. I'll be fine.
Okay, Ro.
I keep this. Let's see. Hey, so we have an extra bamboo plank. Check this out. Do you think it would look good if we did that? Good. Wesley, I love this, but Wes, design flaw. I love this, but there needs to be another right there.
What do you mean?
And then, does this look good? Right there.
Wait, there needs to be like... Hold on.
1, 2 more. Ronan, I don't really like this right here. Do you think this... No, don't mind it. It looks good. Please. Okay. Hey, Wesley, I have an extra bamboo slab. What do you want me to do?
Place it like on here.
On here?
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Oh, that's so annoying. I wish you could place different types of slabs on top of each other.
How did you like how I did it?
Hold on, I'm gonna make a makeshift window.
Look. And then the other side has it too.
Sorry, but I'm gonna have to mine the stair.
What? How did this time?
Never mind, that's
What?
not a good.
What's happening?
Can you collect the jungle stair? Place it black.
There should be another right here. I think there should be another right here.
Place them back.
I think there should be another staircase right here. I think there should be one right
Oren,
here.
Oren, don't repeat yourself.
Hey, Wes, you need to put that back.
I know.
That does not work.
I know. I was trying to make a window and I didn't realize there was stuff right there.
Stairs.
I'll make it right here.
Is there stairs there? Nope. We're good. Wait, you have sand? Okay. No.
I don't know.
Well, then can I do this? No, we're gonna use glass.
No, it's a makeshift
we're
window.
Making glass. Oh, 2 cents. That's what it is.
No, don't get more sand. We have 6, and that is enough.
Or we have. Okay.
Let me tell you why. 6 is enough to make glass panes, which you can make 16 of.
Ronan. Yeah. I have another cool block. I made a cool block. Some bamboo was that. Let me see. See my hand. Oh yeah. Ronan made me think our mine. You know our mine. Part of our base. No. Okay. I really need coal. We're really good. Except we don't have beds. The most essential thing in Minecraft. To have beds. Gotta get some beds. Out of sheep. And we don't have any sheep. What? I have a block of bamboo.
Okay.
What should I do?
I need more fuel. I need more fuel, everyone.
Oh, this looks nice. Wesley, come out here. You think this looks nice? Sort of makes it look like a monastery.
What is a monastery?
Here. Oh my gosh. We need. Do you want to do? There's something really suspicious here. I'm a ninja.
You're a ninja. I'm cutting the video right now.
Yeah, cut it.
So that's we wrapped up. We made a house, and that's about it.
Below, please tell us what the stairway to mobs should be. Thank you.
So
Bye.
yeah, bye. Quick recap. If you just skipped to the end, we made a house, and yeah, that is episode 1 of Mangrove Survival. Goodbye.